you missed!
The way this throws it kind of goes up and it'll stay up a little bit and then go down. That was just gone. I need to, Uh-oh, here we go.
Oh.
Throw another one.
Whoa.
Timbo!
Oh. Really?
Oh, that's too loaded. Alright, ready?
Oh.
Golly.
Oh, I smell,
Alright.
smell the smoke from the guns.
You boys ready?
Ooh. Well, you got one.
Did you get one?
I got one. One got a big impact.
So I think we were aiming for the same one. Ready?
Nice.
Ah.
You got it. Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell.
The bottom ones or the top ones?
I'll take the top one, just so we don't get confused.
Okay, I'll take the bottom one, and if they cross in the air, I'll take the one to the left.
Ready?
Oh!
That's two.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm there. Tires. Tires over there. Let's try. That's pretty jacked. Top of that. That was loud.
You good? You got hearing?
I got your.
You got ear phone?
I don't. Oh, shit.
Well, I got those palms over here.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
I think I got that first one.
What's the trick? You have to aim like further away from it, like where it's going.
A little bit. No, you aim it pretty straight on. I don't know, you just gotta follow. Give me one more and I'll show you. Awesome. Go ahead, you can do one. Oh, then I'll do one. Yeah, I'll just do one the old school way. Bring launch it, ready? Go for it.
Ooh. Nice shot. Nice shot, Zach.
I'm gonna change just a little. Alright, so I'm gonna go for the upper one, Mark. Okay, let me grab a couple more. There you go. Alright, should go more that way now. Shoot from the head. Ooh, that's fun. Kidding me? You done that? Yeah, it's right. Yeah, it's right.
From the hip. Shotgun, you don't have to aim.
Oh, I'm sorry. You guys are aiming at these little pigeons?
Ready? Go.
Ooh.
Shooting the pieces?
Take it easy, you only brought 200.
Alright, Christian. That was a piece? I thought that was a whole one. That was a piece. Nice. I'll show you and have you shoot a couple. I'll get them out. Anyway, okay, so what you want to do is, there's no safety on this gun. I'll do one. No. Because you have to put it in.
Son.
Ready? So, there's nothing in it right now. Open it up.
Well, you missed that one.
Most likely. Shooting right eye now, so I might need to pull the hammer back all the way. One.
Oh, yeah. Forgot to have a left-handed gun.
Ready? All the way back. All the way back and hold. Okay?
No.
Trigger. Fire.
So Racco's got this button.
What you want to do?
Right there. Yeah.
There's a bead right there.
And look here.
If you just want to aim it
Right.
right down the
If you're
center.
looking, go like this.
Right down the center, about right here. Keep that aligned, and then put it wherever you're going to fire. Put the bead wherever you're going to fire.
Gonna make a big noise.
Does it have a kickback?
So what you want to do? You want to put it right where your shoulder is,
It's a 6-shooter.
right there.
You're loaded and ready.
You want it right here.
Easy.
Yeah, right there.
Stupid hard
Right
ground.
And then the shoulder that you're shooting from, that's your trigger finger. Go there and then line up.
Oh! Oh! He's free!
Pull the hammer back. Can't really see it very well.
No, I got it.
Oh, yay, a left-hander.
She's not a left-hander. She's just left eye dominant.
Oh.
You know what?
Hot.
You don't have.
Someone's been shooting a bunch.
Full.
No safety?
Right. Full.
Hey! Come on!
Don't know.
I was like waiting to go. That was the easiest shot you'll ever have. Caught off guard. Wait. Alright, go.
Show it here. And then.
Ooh, nice.
You brutalized them.
That was nice.
So you don't have to really stomp it. You just press it down and then it'll relax with its release. Full.
Ooh.
First one.
There goes another piece.
Full.
Already in the 7 minutes of this.
If these don't work very well, there's toilet
Full.
paper. Stuff toilet paper.
Bang! Oh!
Finger off.
What happened?
That one. I thought you'd loaded it
I
completely.
did.
There.
I thought I did.
And then when you're ready to fire,
Nothing happened on that.
pull the trigger.
Yeah. Where was that button? Right
there.
That one? Yeah. Did you pull it back?
Wow, I'm gonna have to.
Oh, there was
Load one in and then back in. Boom.
Woo! Did I not hit anything?
Ha
Oh, cool.
When you press the button, careful of pop.
I can already imagine. Look, Zach. I can already imagine the title of this video.
A few more. Shotgun?
I'm gonna go on a I don't think I'm ready for a pigeon yet.
Sure.
No, Clay Pigeons shooting, part 2.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Pull.
Ooh, nice. Got that one.
4 for 5. Back a little bit so it doesn't hit you.
Pull.
Alright, 5 for 6. Okay, I'm launching 2. But no, you stack them. Okay. Now just...
Ooh.
Oh, yeah!
Who got that last one?
Who got it?
Did I get it?
It was a tie.
Oh.
I don't know.
I think
I think he
aimed
might
the
have.
one.
I think he might have. Press the button. Hold on.
So round 2.
I'll do a couple more. Oh.
10 minutes.
Sorry, my thumb is trying.
Careful.
Fail.
Have her shoot set. Oh. So yeah. Yeah, go like that. I put the safety on and there's nothing in there. That way you'll look more down, straight down to there. I missed 2.
And how many did you shoot down?
At least 8.
Well, I can miss more than that.
If mini aliens and flying saucers ever invade,
Or bat.
I got this. Or bat.
Okay, so Sheldon, go for the bottom.
Bottom?
I got this.
Yeah, go for the bottom. Okay, I guess I'll go for the top one.
Lefty versus lefty.
Here we go.
Oh!
I think one shot hit them both.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, sorry about that.
Excuse me. Excuse me, Matthew.
I think I can put this whole video up on YouTube. Besides, I've been for maybe 15 minutes.
Losing my touch. Losing my touch.
Hey! My favorite when they just disintegrate.
Turn to powder.
Yep.
Yep.
Nothing left.
Oh, yeah.
Did I?
Yeah, she
Yeah.
did. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Excelente.
Good job. I got one shot. I got 2 shots. Ready. Oh. I'm gonna blow that 22 off. Huh? 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 Shoot that 22. Yeah. Can I load it for you? No, I can load it.
Matthew, you gonna shoot it?
Uh...
You want it, Matthew?